Are you getting a response to your job applications? If not, it might be because your CV has been screened by an AI system, or an artificial intelligence system. So have you heard about something called ATS? Well, before, recruiters and employers went through large chunks of information from an applicant's CVs and then organized them into detailed Excel spreadsheets. This is how companies would identify the best candidate for a specific position. So manually screening the CV of every candidate, as you can imagine, is a very time-consuming endeavor. And as a result, employers and recruiters now are using something called ATS to screen the CV of job applicants. And for your CV to pass the screening process, it needs to be ATS compliant. So what does ATS stand for? ATS stands for Applicant Tracking System. And basically what it is it's behind the scenes software that is used in various job boards that the job applicant uses to save their CV and then also to send job applications. So the software scans your CV for relevant keywords, skills, job titles, educational background, and then sorts and ranks your application to match the job advert. It acts as an electronic gatekeeper for the employer and for hiring managers. So how does it work? Well, applicant tracking systems have simplified and automated the entire hiring process by using a customized feature called parsing to scan and identify keywords, phrases, skills, and this enables there to be a more successful match for job openings. So the process of parsing eliminates the manual processing and analysis of each job application and CVs received, which saves recruiters and employers hours of daily work. So whilst a job advert may receive hundreds, maybe thousands, tens of thousands of responses, the recruiter only receives that which may be considered as the most qualified candidates based on the ATS ranking algorithm. So why is an ATS CV template important? Well, ATS CV templates are designed to work in favor of the applicant tracking system by searching for specific keywords and comparing it with the content of the job posting to determine your suitability for the job. So basically what ATS does is that it looks for keywords that are contained in the job advert, and if your CV is not ATS compliant in terms of the structure and the information, it's rejected by the system. So what does this mean for the applicant? Well, although you may have relevant experience, skills, educational background, if this information is not structured according to the ATS compliant CV template and reflected in such a way to match the job advert, it would not go through to the recruiter and make it to the interview stage. So you need to ensure that your CV is ATS compliant. And if your CV is ATS compliant, it improves your chances of your CV being seen by employers and by recruiters. So ATS CV templates can be optimized according to appropriate layout, design, formatting, keywords for passing the scans. So we will be bringing you a series of videos and information on the 21st century employability skills, and we hope you can join us next week when we will discuss the structure of the ATS compliant CV.